Hi guys! For most beginners who are learning English as their second language, the verb get can seem quite confusing. You can hear native speakers using it in almost every conversation. Why is that so? Because get is a verb with multiple meanings. So you can use get in so many contexts. And that is the reason you find it difficult to use while talking, since you can't find its one exact meaning. Do you still think it's quite confusing to use get in a sentence? Well, no worries. Today I'll tell you 10 proper uses of the word get. Basically, I'm gonna tell you certain verbs which can be replaced with the word get. Once you will know these verbs, it will be easy for you to use get instead of these normal action verbs we tend to use. And believe me guys, it really makes you fluent in English. And no doubt you sound smart, okay? So, which are these verbs and how can you use get in multiple contexts? Watch this video to find out different ways you can use get in your conversation. Let's begin. So, what can the word get mean? The most common meaning of the word get that you will see in the conversation very often, that is receive or find. So, whenever you use this word receive in your sentence, you can easily replace it with the word get. For example, you sent a mail to your friend and now you want to ask your friend, did he receive your mail or not? In place of receive here, you can use get. Did you receive my mail yesterday? Did you get my mail yesterday? Also, in place of the word find, you can use the word get. I was looking for my dress since long and finally I found it. I was looking for my dress since long and finally I got it. See how easy it is to replace the word receive or find with the word get? And this was the first use of the word get. Let's see the next use now. If your sentence contains the word become in it, you can easily replace it with the word get. For example, if I talk to one of my students who's learning English since long and now if I want to compliment him by saying that you are becoming better at English day by day, so in place of become, I can use the verb get. See the difference now. You're becoming better at English day by day. You're getting better at English day by day. Did you notice the difference and how easily I switch the verb become and get? Try using it with other sentences also and you'll be easily able to replace the word become with the word get. Now the third way you can use the word get is in place of arrive or reach. Okay? See these examples. What time did you reach home? What time did you arrive home? So you can replace it with the word get. What time did you get home? When do you think you will reach here? When do you think you will arrive here? When do you think you'll get here? Easy? By now we have replaced 3 words with the word get. Let's see them again. The first is receive or find. Second is become. And the third is arrive or reach. Now the fourth way, which is very important and very casual. I mean, it is used very often in the conversation, and that is understand. Understand. Now let's replace this word with get. I didn't understand what you said. Could you please repeat? I didn't get what you said. Could you please repeat? He never understands my point. He never gets my point. Didn't I tell you this one is very common in the conversation? You must have seen people using it a lot in their conversation. So this is the most important use of get, which I feel everyone should know and everyone should use. Now the next verb we are going to replace with the word get is take. Take. You can take a cab from the main road. You can get a cab from a main road. I'll take you there on time. I'll get you there on time. So this take is actually taking someone with you to some place. So there you use take instead of take, you can use get. Now this one can bring a bit of confusion for you and this is the 6th use of get, okay? We just used it for the verb take and now we are using it for the verb give or serve, okay? For example, in a party if you ask someone, can I serve you a drink? You can say, can I get you a drink? I shall give you some help in a moment. I shall get you some help in a moment. Interesting, no? So this is how we use the verb get in so many contexts. Wait, I have more verbs for you. And the next one is buy. B-U-Y, buy. So we can replace buy with the word get. If you want to say somebody that now you should buy a new dress for you, you would say you should buy a new dress for the party. Now change it with the word get. You should get a new dress for the party. Shall I buy something to eat from market? Shall I get something to eat from market? I'm sure by now you want to revise all the verbs that we have replaced by now. So yeah, let's have a look at all the verbs. So the first one is receive, second is become, third is arrive, fourth is understand, fifth is take, next the sixth is give or serve, and seventh is buy. Now let's see the next use of get. So when you make something happen or when you are the reason of something to happen, you can use get there. So it's kinda used as a causative verb in a sentence. Hey, any plan this weekend? Yep, I'm thinking to get my car fixed. See, here the person is not fixing the car, he's planning to get the car fixed. That means there will be someone else who will fix the car, maybe the mechanic. So you are making something happen by somebody else. I'm planning to get this work done by my friend as soon as possible. Next verb that can be replaced with the word get is obtain. Obtain. That means to acquire something or procure something. You possess something. You have that thing with you. Finally, I obtained the book I was looking for. Finally, I had the book I was looking for. So here in place of obtained, in place of had, I can use the word got. Second form of the verb get would be got. So finally, I got the book I was looking for. Can you get some salt from the kitchen? Again, a very useful sentence that you can use in your daily conversation. And now the last use of the verb get. We can use the word get in the passive form of the sentence. Here it is used in place of the verb to be. To be is actually is, am, are, was, were. As in, if you want to sound quite informal, that means you want to talk in a casual tone, you will use get in place of these helping verbs. And there will always come third form of the verb after the word get. I hope you all know that we always use verb third form in the passive voice. By the way, if you want to watch a video on passive voice, the link is there in the description, you can watch that. Now let's see examples with this use. My favorite cup got broken. So the actual formal sentence would be my favorite cup was broken, but here in place of was, I am using got. Okay, so this is the best way you can use got in a passive sentence in place of is, am, are, was, were. She got fired because she was always late for work. The actual sentence is she was fired. Again, in place of was, we are using got. So yeah, I've pretty much told you all the important usage of the word get in the general conversation. Make sure to use get more and more in your conversation because I'm telling you guys, you will see a fluency in your conversation automatically. Once you have a command over this verb, it comes out very easily and naturally. Now the work for you. I want you to write down all the meanings that you learned today of the word get. So you can write them from 1 to 10 and you can change the sequence, it makes no difference. Just make sure you don't miss out on any verb and its meaning. I'll be waiting for your answers in the comment section. This is Nidhi, your English language coach. Thanks so much for learning with me and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, bye.